And we'll give you a copy of this to take with you when you leave. Listen to this. Wait, this is TJ interviewing Justin.
Yeah, I did this for my podcast.
2009, so this is two and a half years ago.
Yep. Who in Hollywood are you a little bit obsessed with? What girl out there?
Beyonce.
Beyonce. She's a little old
That
for you.
hasn't changed.
But there's got to be somebody in Hollywood who's in your age group.
I know you're trying to get this answer out of me, but I think Selena Gomez is pretty. But I don't like her. I think she's cute. I think she's a cutie, but
That's what I needed to know.
that's what you needed to know?
Because now Selena Gomez may hear this, and she may say, Justin Bieber, oh my God, I don't like him. I don't like him because,
I
you
don't
know,
like
we
him.
can't like this
We
young.
can't like- no.
But if I happen to run into him, he might be somebody I'd consider hanging out with. It took me a while to get the answer out of
But
you.
I don't like her.
No, I understand. At your age, you're not allowed to like girls.
No, I do like girls.
No,
I'm
I
not-
was the same way. I was afraid.
No,
Yeah.
I don't. I'm not afraid. Seriously, I'm not afraid.
Okay, so Selena Gomez, if she came into the room, you'd talk to her.
Of course I would.
Absolutely.
So he had you on his mind in 2009.
So cute.
Isn't that cute? Who was here? We got
Last
this?
time,
No, I think
don't
a
know.
couple. The very first time you came up here, I don't know if you remember, but I interviewed you, and
in that room over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember.
You were 15.
in the back room.
yeah, and you were talking about who you. I asked you what crush you have on what girl your age, and you said Selena Gomez. How was it?
Wait, is that?
This is
You want to hear this?
Let's not hear Just this. listen.
I wanted you to hear something because it's kind of a
3 years
special interview.
Okay.
This is TJ interviewing Justin.
Yeah, I did this for my podcast.
Oh, this is when Selena was here.
Yes, we played it for her.
No, just listen. Stop breathing in the microphone.
This is like really embarrassing. This was like 3 years ago.
No. I don't want to play it if you don't want to.
No, you can play it. You can. I mean, let's just. How about this? How about you play another song?
Oh, okay, hold on.
He's learning.
Well, I just think of it. You know, my life is very good right now. You know, she's just another blessing.
Look at him.
Wow. Oh, my God.
He's blushing.
You know how much I love you. I see you. You've been on here 4 times. I feel like we're close. I feel like we're friends, right?
Yes.
You'd never hurt me. You'd never lie to me. You'd never do anything
I
to...
would never, ever.
No. The last time you were here, I just want to remind you, we were talking about Justin, and last time you were here, this is what you said.
Oh, no.
So you're a busy girl. You've got a CD out. You've got a clothing line. You're an ambassador, right? And I don't know how you have time to date Justin Bieber.
What? Oh, brother. He's little. He's like... No, he's like my little brother. I don't... that's weird
You're
to
a cute
me.
couple, I'm just saying.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Don't take me to jail.
He's like your little brother.
Yeah. It's a great thing to say, huh?
What do you have to say now?
I don't know. I don't know.
Well, you were trying to hide it still, right? But then now you've made it public. Now y'all went to the Vanity Fair party and made me a fool.
I did it. No, I really did it.
All right,
I really did
it.
I promise you I didn't. He's sweet.
He's sweet as can be, but he's not like your little brother, is he? No, he's not. He's a fantastic guy, and I'm glad that y'all, because it's hard. You can't try to hide that forever. I know y'all were sneaking around, but that's crazy. You're both huge stars, and you can't hide from us.
I didn't lie to you. I didn't, though. I will say that.
No?
No.
Well, no, you didn't blatantly lie. But I mean, the little brother is not someone you want to date. You don't want to date your
Well, no.
No.
That would be weird. and
No,
wrong.
it would be wrong and weird in so many ways. And Selena likes the car?
Yep.
Yeah. And Selena, y'all go to basketball games a lot, right?
Yep.
Yep. So, do you ever really get a chance to watch the game? Like when you're there, do you... Nope. Doesn't seem like you're watching the game. There's a game going on. You
Not
can
much
do...
to watch. Not much of watching the game.
Yep.
No.
Anyway.
Justin Bieber.
All 4 of his albums.
Okay, you know you love me, you know you care. Just shout whenever, and I'll be there. The baby, Justin Bieber.
I did not. It's her, my producer. I did not.
Oh.